Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Media Encoder with After Effects. First, open your After Effects project and select the composition you wish to export. Navigate to Composition in the top menu, then choose Add to Adobe Media Encoder queue. This action automatically launches Media Encoder and adds your selected composition to its rendering queue, allowing for a smooth workflow. Once in Media Encoder, your composition appears in the queue panel. Here, you can select your desired output format such as H.264 for web video, and then choose a specific preset. For example, you might pick a 1080p HD preset. You can also fine-tune settings like resolution, frame rate, or bitrate to meet your project's exact requirements before rendering. Before starting the render, click on the output file name to specify where your final video will be saved on your computer. Choose a clear and accessible folder. Once your settings are finalized and the destination is set, simply click the green Start Queue button. Media Encoder will then begin processing your composition, and you can monitor its progress directly in the queue panel. Using Media Encoder for rendering offers significant advantages. You can continue editing in After Effects while your project renders in the background, boosting your productivity. It also allows you to export your composition into multiple formats and resolutions simultaneously from a single source. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. This integration streamlines your workflow, saving you valuable time and effort on every project.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.